Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to use battery saver or increase battery life in your device Samsung Galaxy F23 or F23 5G. So if you want to use battery saver or increase battery life in your device Samsung Galaxy F23 or F23 5G, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how to use battery saver or increase battery life.